Hey guys, so today I have got a double unboxing to do of the gingerbread coffin. So these did arrive together. I actually don't know which month one of the boxes is. We've got an All Hallows Eve box, which is the October box, and we've got a bat box. I think it might be the November one, but I'm not too sure. For anyone that hasn't seen me open these before, they are $34.99 and it is an American box. Obviously I'm in the UK, so I think the shipping is like an extra $10 or something, roughly around that kind of price. So definitely not one of the cheaper boxes, but I am going to show you what is in them. I haven't opened these yet. We're going to start on the All Hallows Eve one, which is definitely the heavier one, because I think that one comes first, but I'm not too sure. So I haven't opened these yet. This is what this one looks like when you open it up. So that is their little card, and then it's like a list of what's in the box. I'm not going to read off that though, because I'm just going to show you. And then you always kind of get one of these little prints with like a quote or a poem or something on the back. So I will hold this one up just because it's quite long, in case anyone wants to pause and read it. That is what that one says. So like I said before, this is the All Hallows Eve Volume 2 box. So this is their Halloween box, and the very first item right on the top is these two little scrunchies. So we have a white one with pumpkins and cobwebs on, and a orange one with pumpkins and cobwebs on. If you watched my Halloween hauls, you saw I got loads of Halloweeny scrunchies. They do kind of remind me of those, but I love a scrunchie, so they are very cute. Next, we've got a witch's brew bath bomb. So it's just in a little plastic cauldron, and the bath bomb like powder is in here, so you take this plastic off and then it'd foam over the top in the water. It doesn't say what fragrance it is or anything, but that is that. Then next we've got a cute little treat. So these are some Halloween pretzels, Bats and Jacks. I have never seen these before. I'm assuming it's an American food. I don't know if Bats and Jacks means that they're bat and pumpkin shaped, so I am actually going to open these just to have a look. Oh, they are too. That's so cute. So that's the little pumpkin. America has 100% way better food than we do. Oh, there is no, oh yeah, there is right down here. All the bats seem to be a little broken, but I found one that's still together. So that is the little bat one. Very cute. Next we've got our stone, and this one is a carnelian. I'm pretty sure that we got a carnelian in this month's witch casket box, I believe. This one looks like this. It's a little darker orange than the last one I got, I think. Still super pretty though. I'm not going to read out this because it's super long, and I do have two boxes to show. I don't want to bore you all, but if you want the little card that tells you about carnelian, that is what that says. Then next we have two little tea lights. It says Witch's Brew Soy Candles. They're just like little orange tea lights with some glitter on the top. I don't know what scent or anything. Let's see if I can have a quick smell of what they smell like. Oh, they smell amazing actually. I don't even know what fragrance that is, but it's really nice though. So that is our two little tea lights. And then we've got three things left. I'm gonna leave the thing that I think is gonna be my favorite till the last, and I'm gonna show you this one. So this is a cute little notepad. It has a cobweb up here and a little ghosty down here. Very cute. It says it's got 50 sheets, so I will definitely be taking that to work for my desk. Then we've got a tote bag. So let's open this and see what's on it. It's a white bag, and it says spooky season. So just a little white fabric tote bag with spooky season on it. I always keep these in my car to use when I go like food shopping and stuff. And then the very last item, which I am super excited about, is another one of their perfume oils. I absolutely love the perfume oils she makes. They are incredible. So this one is called Witch's Brew, which I'm going to assume is maybe kind of a similar scent to those little tea light candles. It has got some kind of flower or herb or something inside there. And it says that this one is cinnamon, sugar, amber, patchouli, balsam, cedarwood, and vetiver in jojoba oil. Yeah, so this one is Witch's Brew perfume oil. And oh, it smells amazing, but it smells a little like the aftershave that my boyfriend wears. I would say, to me, this is more a masculine kind of scent. Still amazing. I absolutely love the smell of like amber and stuff. They are incredible. But I'm not sure that I would wear that, so I might give that to him. But I do absolutely love it though, just maybe not on myself. So that is the Witch's Brew perfume oil. And that was everything in the All Hallows Eve box, so I will grab it all and show you it all together again at once. So in this one we've got the tote bag, the little notepad, the carnelian, the two little Halloween scrunchies, the tea lights, the little pumpkin and bat pretzels, the perfume oil Witch's Brew, and the Witch's Brew little bath bomb. So that was everything in the All Hallows Eve Volume 2 box, like I say. Very cute. So I will put this down and show you the bat one. Okay, so next up we have this one. Like I say, I don't know what month box this is. It's called For the Love of Bats. It doesn't say what month. I'm going to assume maybe it's November's box because December's Christmas box is available soon, so I'm not too sure. But that is the little list of what is in here. This is the little print in this one. It says full moon, darkness, endless night, screeching cries and winged flight, vampire monster out of sight, witch familiar creature of night on the back of there. And this one is a super lightweight box. It doesn't really feel like there's loads in here, honestly. But this is the first thing on the top. So I'm going to assume this is maybe like a little flag or something. Oh, I didn't know what that said at first then. It says welcome across the top. I thought this was one word and then this was a different word, but it does say welcome. And it has a little bat print down here. I think it is, yeah, it is actually a flag. It's got like a whole thing at the top. So it should kind of technically go that way. I'm not really sure what to do with things like this. I guess I could hang it in like the entranceway, but it is quite cute though, so there is that. Next we have a little necklace. So it's just a little bat stuck on my ring, a little bat on a cord. If my light would stop being so bright, it looks like that. That is our little necklace. And then to go along with that, we've got some sterling silver matching little dangly earrings. I don't have normal pierced ears, so I'm not going to open and touch these because I'll probably end up giving them away to someone, like my friend or something, so I don't want to touch them when I'm not going to wear them. But they are exactly the same little print as the necklace. Then next we have two little hair ties. I have had some of these before from another box, I think. They're just like those little elastics. They're supposed to not make you have like kinks in your hair when you take them out and stuff, I think. Either that or they're supposed to not make your hair knotty or something. I'm not too sure, but they're just like a little elastic fabric thing with bats on. So two of those. Then we have a little black lollipop. like this. We have a rainbow obsidian, that is the little gemstone or crystal in this one. Honestly, for the name, I thought rainbow obsidian was going to be kind of magical, but it's just black, I think. I don't see any other colour in that. That just looks like pure black to me. So the little card says, rainbow obsidian is an iridescent stone, okay, made up of volcanic glass, getting its name from the rainbow effect caused by light refracting off of tiny bubbles and inclusions inside. I feel like it's just black. Is that just me? I don't know. Anyway, rainbow obsidian can help to alleviate fears at home and in the workplace that overwhelm and may be challenging to overcome. It helps to remove negative thoughts and feelings while replacing them with positive and empowering ones. It can also help in reversing bad luck, allowing you to regain joy and pleasure in life. So that is lovely, but I definitely am not seeing any kind of rainbow in that, and the light is shining right through it and it's just pure black. So kind of disappointed with that. I wish it was iridescent, that would have been amazing, but that is our rainbow obsidian. And then we've got two things left. So we've got this little print that says keep calm and love bats, just a little purple wall print, and we've got this little makeup bag with a kiss that turns into bats up here with a little zip on the top. So yeah, that was everything in the For the Love of Bats box. I definitely preferred the All Hallows Eve box, honestly. I don't think there was very much in this box, it doesn't feel like. I feel like I'm kind of missing something, but I will grab it all together anyway and show you it all at once. So there was the little bat garden flag, the Keep Calm and Love Bats print, the little makeup bag, the rainbow obsidian, the bat necklace, the bat earrings, the lollipop, and the little hair ties. So all of this stuff was in the For the Love of Bats box. So yeah, that was both of the gingerbread coffin boxes. I definitely preferred the All Hallows Eve one over the other one. It just seemed to have more stuff in it. You'll have to let me know what you thought of both of them down below. I'll also put all of her information in the description in case you want to go and check it out under the video. And I do also have a discount code, which I forgot to mention at the start, which is LunaLily for 10% off. So I'll put that here on the screen now and down below as well in case you want to use that. But yeah, I hope you liked this video anyway. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.